JD Camp 26 here for Just Do the Repair and tips. And we're on the second part of making this lure. And when your clay starts drying, it may start to splinter crack. So you want to take some Elmer's glue and just fill in those cracks and let it dry. Okay. And after that, you want to spray coat it with an acrylic clear coat. And give it about 3 coats of that. So you got on a cup here, just these two edges are touching, and you want to give it a good spray of the clear coat, and then just turn the cup like this. Get the other side. Hope you can hear me. Give it a good coat. Let that dry for about 20 minutes and then hit it with another coat. So then you want to make a mold box. You want to lay down a bed of clay and roll it out with a rolling pin. Works very well. And then put it in a box. And I use silicone around the sides and to seal it in. And also do the corners here, up the corners, because silicone will leak everywhere if you don't do that. And then put your clay lure masters in. You know, you could do that before you put the cardboard on. It would be a lot easier. And this is for when you put the plasticide in, so it will drain from here to here. So we got the mold here we had made out of those master clays, and we have to spray them some mold release. Okay, and I want to put them together. We got these cardboard pieces put on each side, and a spout right there, and elastic over it. Keep it together. We got the Lumisol in the microwave cooking, so when that's ready, we'll give it a pour. So we have this all heated up here, and we're gonna, that's the best way to do this, pour it in here in this mold, let it sink down into the mold, keep pouring it slowly but surely, and it'll suck it into the mold. That mold release will ensure that it gets distributed evenly throughout the mold. It just keeps sucking it in. So I want to show you this too when it's done. So this concludes this video. Thanks for watching. Please give me the thumbs